having an opportunity to meet other artists, to apply for grants, to put my work out in the public, and to have some friends who can help me when I need help, or just people to do things with.
Even though my experience has been always with Louisville, when you read about the other women who get the grants, you really get the feel that the reach of Kentucky Foundation for Women is actually across the entire state. So as an artist who receives grants, who uses the resources, you feel like you're connected to a lot of other women across the state, doing all kinds of different work too. And so it really is a cool way to bring a lot of women into one community who are really different, doing really different things with different backgrounds. I think because we do bring so much of our lives into our work, that really does create a lot of diversity in the community.
Whether it be studying and researching different cultures in the state of Kentucky, whether it's to present art to other people, having access to different types of art.
Ultimately, the connections to me are about discovering things about my work that I'm not really necessarily aware of. Like, you know, somebody might point something out about my work, or, you know, share something of their work, and that sparks. It's about, you know, finding sparks with people.
There's a place that women can come and sit and talk and plan and write and relax and just get their souls and minds back together.
When you are an artist, you take the tragedies and the stumbling blocks and the killing things that you go through, and you turn them into beauty. And I think that that in itself makes a statement of courage. It's not a statement of anything unless somebody's sharing it.
Well, I've been fortunate to get grants in the past from KFW, both for my own artwork and also for some collaborative projects with other people in the community. But what I think has been the most meaningful to me is the mindset change that I have had when I work on projects.
It's a gift and a tremendous responsibility as well. I think as we start becoming the older generation, like I think my first contact with KFW, I felt like still like a little kid, like, you know, I was looking up, and now I have to recognize that I have done some work and that I have seen the impact.
What you guys represent, I think, is amazing, and I would love to know more, which I'm really glad that I'm here. I honestly had no idea what I was walking into, but now I'm like, yes!